Have you ever lost an important file, maybe by accidental deletion, formatting a hard drive, or a system crash after a major OS update? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're reviewing and walking through EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, one of the more trusted solutions for recovering deleted, lost, or even corrupted files. We'll go step by step on how to download it, install it, run a recovery scan, and highlight the features that make it one of the better data recovery tools out there. So let's get to it. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is a powerful recovery tool designed for both home users and professionals. It can recover files from accidental deletion, formatted drives, partition loss, virus attacks, and even raw or inaccessible drives, with support for over 1,000 file types, including photos, videos, documents, emails, and audio files. It's a versatile solution for almost any data loss scenario. We have used different EaseUS softwares in our repair shops for close to 20 years now, and it has treated us quite well in many repair scenarios. Here's how to get started with a data recovery attempt using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. First, we'll visit the EaseUS official website, or you can grab the software easily by clicking on the download link in our video description. Once you're at the EaseUS site, click the free download button. After it downloads, go ahead and run the installer. Click Install Now and allow Data Recovery Wizard to fully install. Once installed, you can walk through the brief tutorial and you'll be ready to recover that lost data. Well, now we need some data to recover, so I've created a few example folders and files we can delete. We'll delete the folders and then empty the recycle bin for good measure. I will note that you may wish to have a USB flash drive or external hard drive on hand that you can save the recovered data to. Saving the recovered data to the drive or device you just recovered it from is generally not the best practice. So go grab the largest flash drive or external hard drive you have and plug it up. Let's take a brief look at some of the impressive features that EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard packs. It supports over 1,000 plus file types: documents, photos, audio, video, emails, archives, can all be recovered. It covers multiple recovery scenarios, from accidental deletion to formatted drives, crash systems, and even lost drive partitions. There's a preview before recovery. You can confirm files before restoring them. There's plenty of external device support. You can recover from USBs, memory cards, cameras, and external drives. It offers smart file filtering. You can sort recovery results by file type, date, or keyword to find exactly what you need. There's even free software updates as features are added. This should help keep your recovery software always up to date. All right, let's hop into a data recovery attempt with the Data Recovery Wizard. Go ahead and open the software. Select the drive you wish to scan for lost files and click Search for lost data. This will begin scanning the selected drive for deleted or lost files. Again, this will scan and recover multiple file types: documents, pictures, videos, PDFs, spreadsheets, and a ton more. The recovery scan speed will differ depending on the size of drive and how much data you have. All in all, the scan time is not terrible. Remember, the software is searching every corner for lost or deleted data, so be patient. Now, there is a recovery size limit of around 2 gigabytes for the Data Recovery Wizard free version, so if you have a large recovery you need to attempt, you may want to look into upgrading to the Pro version. When it's finished scanning, it will organize the found files. After it's organized what it's found, click on Go to Recover to see what it's recovered. Here, you'll see several different directories for the files, but ultimately, your recovered files generally end up in the same file path that they were located originally. If you had files that were severely damaged or overwritten during deletion, they may end up in the file path lost or reconstructed folders. Now, let's navigate to the lab users documents folder where we had the Don't Delete Me folder. And there it is. And it appears it also recovered the example files we deleted earlier. We'll go select this folder for recovery and click Recover. Next, select the location to save your recovered files and click Save. Now it's copied our recovered files to our USB drive. Let's check them out. You may have noticed earlier that sometimes the file names do not get carried over for some recovered files, but the file contents are generally accurate, as long as the file isn't totally corrupt. This happens from time to time in data recovery, especially with empty files such as these example files. Again, if you have a large amount of deleted data to recover, consider upgrading to the Pro version that allows for unlimited recovery amounts. Be sure to check out the EaseUS website, as they often have coupons and discounts available for their products. All right, lastly, let's weigh out the pros and cons. The pros: it's easy to use, has powerful scanning, wide file type support, and excellent preview and filtering tools. The cons: the free version is limited to a 2 GB recovery, so for larger recoveries, you'll want to grab the Pro version. But given its reliability, it's worth the investment if you value your lost data. So, in summary, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is a top-tier solution for anyone facing data loss. It's simple, powerful, and works across almost every recovery scenario. Whether you're rescuing personal memories, work files, or large media projects, EaseUS makes recovery straightforward and stress-free. Download it today, give it a try, and never fear accidental deletions again. I hope you enjoyed this video covering the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard recovery software. If it's been helpful for you, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more product reviews. It really is the best way to support the channel. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.